What's up everybody? Today I'm gonna teach you how to install the Inversia hack to TF2. Okay, so the first thing you do, you open your browser and then you type in Inversia TF2 DLL and it should be in, you should find it in unknown cheats. I think you just go here, downloads, and you try to find Team Fortress 2 there. At least this is the way I found it there. As you can see, there's the Inversia. Right now I'm not registered or logged in, so but if you have to be logged in to download the file. So when you have created your account, you press this and then it just gives you the DLL. Okay, the second thing which is important, you have to download this. I will put all the links in the description, but this is an injector. You will need it to insert or inject the hack into your game. Okay, so after you've downloaded this both, your PC may say it's a virus, but it's not. It just says game hack and DLL inject. Those are not viruses. It just says that because it injects stuff into your game. Okay, so now I will turn on Team Fortress 2, and don't worry, it's because it's finished. Yeah. Okay, so then you open up this. You will get this after, well actually I have made a shortcut, but yeah. So after you have installed everything, also this is very important, make sure to be make sure that the menu has downloaded fully before you inject, because otherwise it may not work. So you just type here T and scroll down. As you can see, there's tf underscore win64.exe. You select this, and also, yeah, okay. So then, well, I have this folder right here, but you may have it just in your downloaded files. So then you click on this, and then you click open, and after that you click inject, and then it works. Yeah, congratulations. But now I'm gonna show you how it works. So we're gonna go to bot match, because I don't wanna give. Also the insert is the key to open and close the menu. So let's just go to King of the Hill. It doesn't really matter, this is a fresh account, as you can tell. No playtime, everything. Oh yeah, I recommend using this cheat on an alternative account, because it may get you banned. I haven't gotten banned, but still I recommend making an alternative account. So after you've downloaded into the game, it should look like, well, let's play sniper, I guess.
Sniper, calling here.
So after that you just, let's just see, you have to pretty much do everything yourself. So yeah, so let's see how it is.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The point is now available for capture. Alert! The control point is being captured. We have lost the control point.
Okay, maybe this auto-fire script is not very good. I'm gonna turn it off. Sniper is not working so well, actually, but okay, now actually it is, yeah it is, but I like using this with Scout because it's very OP on Scout, especially when you have the Force of Nature. You can use double tap, which shoots both the slugs at the same time and does a fuck ton of damage. So yeah, there's nothing here to say. It is not a virus if it says so, trust me. And yeah, it works, as you can see. I wasn't even aiming at him, and I recommend using the silent aimbot here, because as you can see, it doesn't do, like, it doesn't lock on the enemies, so it doesn't look so legit. Also, I think it's detected more easily than this. Anyway, thank you for watching the video.